Although I've placed it here at the end of the course, one of the most important things you can do when creating a bot should be done last, and that is onboarding. What does onboarding mean? Put simply, it's what you tell users who first arrive at your bot. And these two things should include what is valuable about the bot, meaning why should they use it? What are they getting here that they can't get anywhere else? And more importantly, how they can actually navigate the bot using different controls, using the menus, etc. So in this case, on the welcome message currently, it's not that great, right? It just says, welcome to our restaurant. For one, we should have branding. We should say, what is this actual restaurant, right? What is the name of the restaurant? Secondly, we have a GIF, which is okay. It's entertaining, but I think we should replace that by a logo, a picture of the logo of the restaurant, right? To get that brand loyalty. More importantly, we should add some emojis. We have one emoji, but that's okay. We should add more, actually showing where the controls are, telling what our value proposition is, and showing how users can navigate what they're doing. So let's change this and make it better. For one, let's delete this GIF. I don't actually have a logo for the restaurant, but assuming we did, we could add that with a simple image module. So the text, let's change the text to welcome to Tommy's Pizza. So we have that. Now let's talk about the value proposition. You can use this bot to get 50% off your pizza. Now, we could be more specific telling them how they can do that, but for the time being, let's just say that's our value proposition. It entices people to learn more, to actually use the bot because it's beneficial to their lives. And then lastly, let's tell them how they can interact with the bot. And for that, I always like to go back to Emojipedia, and I'm going to use the down emoji. And specifically, I'm looking for this one, the finger pointing down. And this will be a visual cue for people to look at what I'm actually referring to. So to use the bot, click any of the buttons below. Great. So this is super basic, nothing too involved, but it helps the user understand, again, what is the purpose of the bot? Why should I be using it? And secondarily, how does it actually function? How do I use it? Because as dumb as it sounds, some people, again, who aren't that tech savvy might not understand that there are buttons down here or that they're supposed to click them. They might input a message instead. They might say, hi, what do you do? Things like that. And also, in addition to describing the menu buttons below, what I always like to do as well, and we programmed this with the AI, or at least I walked you through how to do this with the AI, is saying, if you get lost or stuck at any point, type help. Now, if people forget that, that's fine, because we've also implemented the AI rules for restart and feedback, that sort of stuff. But it's good to create some simple way for people to always get back on the correct path to get further down the sales funnel. So this is super basic onboarding, but again, super important for your users to understand how they can interact with the bot, what the value proposition is, and how you can ultimately make money with your bot.